497 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 26 August 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 26, 2020, 287 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 15,027. Total active cases in the state stands at 3,351. Total recovered cases stands at 11,511. Total 165 deaths are reported till August 26, 2020. 64 years female from Padam Mapsa brought dead on 26 August 2020 at North Goa District Hospital, later tested positive. 52 years male from Fatodda Margao expired on 25th August 2020 while being transferred from South Goa District Hospital to Goa Medical College and Hospital, Bambolim. 60 years male from Savaddam admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 25th August 2020. 72 years male from Fatodda Margao admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 26th August 2020. 43 years male from Alam admitted at ESI Hospital expired on 25th August 2020. 71 years male from Chinchinim, 62 years male from Fatodda Margao, 63 years male from Belabai, Vasco, admitted at ESI Hospital with comorbid conditions, expired on 26th August 2020. Out of 2,714 samples tested, 1,914 are negative, 497 are positive, 303 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 98. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 36 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 26 August 2020. Breakup of total 3,351 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 36, CSC Sakre 94, CSC Pernam 96, CSC Valpai 97, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 146, USC Panji 163, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 65, PSC Bedki 75, PSC Kandolem 60, PSC Kansarvarnam 38, PSC Korwai 111, PSC Kolem 114, PSC Chimpel 121, PSC Shiolem 60, PSC Porvorim 172, PSC Mayam 32, Travelers by Road Flight Train 9. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorem 97, CSC Kankana 46, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 497, USC Vasco 258, Primary Health Center, PSC Pali 28, PSC Kansavlem 118, PSC Chinchenem 37, PSC Kwartalem 51, PSC Kurtorem 80, PSC Lutolem 50, PSC Marsaem 48, PSC Kwapam 93, PSC Sangam 39, PSC Shirada 61, PSC Dharbandara 38, PSC Ponda 224, PSC Navelim 105. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.